One of the helper guy got his whole body burnt. Everyone is in a state of sheer panic. Shit. It was one hell of an experience, man. Thank God we're alive. Mrs. Rock and Roll Rider has got really offended because of her we almost rammed into a big rock.
Because of what?
We rammed into a big rock, almost rammed into a big rock.
A few moments ago.
Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. मतलब राइट राइट का तो बोले तो लेफ्ट मारना चाहिए उल्टा क्या ए व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद यू फक व्हाई यू गोइंग इनसाइड डूड नो फकिंग इडियट तुम्हें कहीं को राइट में मार रही सो छोड़ो बदला ले लेंगे पूरे गोरे से आज बाप का दादा का सबका बदला लेगा रहे तेरा फैजल Come on, Chinu, that's the spirit. You're doing it correctly. Come on. Whoa. Pediasins. What is this? Just a peck. Come on, you can do it more. किसके साथ है? दुनिया हसीनों का मेला. Oh, we made it finally alive. We made it back alive. How does it feel? चले जा रहा हूँ ये पानी उठा लो We got off on this island to do a small trek. Ooh, what the fuck? It's a 150-meter trek supposedly, and the viewpoint is very nice from top. They keep fucking around. I'm completely wet, but relying on the sun to warm me up. Okay, then let's start the hike. Brothers and sisters, if someone's watching.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me.
Talinai Lagoon.
Are you ready to wake up?
The 150 meters is gonna seem very difficult now. I thought 150 meters not a big deal. No, it'll help, dude, if there are thorns and all. Huh? मैं GoPro पकड़ लेगा तो मैं कैम नहीं पकड़ सकते क्या? Where is all your dedication? These are not stairs, this is mountain climbing. Daha da dipleşiyor bak. Bir de bu zihniyeti var yani. Sana söyleyeyim. Daha da çıkıyor. What are the various birds found here? White-bellied sea eagle. Blue rock thrush. White drum shama. The hike continues. Whew. Come on, baby, you can do it.
You sure that I was coming next time?
After I go back home, I think I would have at least lost around 2 kgs easily. Shooting in 4K. Ooh. Ooh. Huh?
वो लड़के के
Huh.
नीचे $200 दिए
$200. That is the last stretch.
Look at the view.
Oh.
అబ్బబ్బబ్బా లాటరీ
It just doesn't look scary. It actually is scary. Come, let's go slowly. Slow and steady wins the race. The descent is too steep. We'll have to be very careful. We have to go back to HBR layout.
Climbing was easy. It looks like climbing down is difficult. Cheese. Samai. See, Samai.
Scooter.
Samai. Scooter. Sakul.
Oh. Aram se, aram se. Okay, we're almost there.
Go back this side. You go back.
Oh, psych.
क्या ये फन किस आवाज
No, it's some cricket. Python. No.
python
चलो चलो ठीक है. Oh shit, we came like wrong route, no dude.
गलत बोले तुम्हें क्या पूछे
I thought all roads lead down.
I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm the best.
We kind of reached. My legs are shivering. Shivering, shivering. Last island stop for lunch. Oh, sorry. After lunch, we'll be heading back to Koh Samui Island. Super fun day. I don't know how much stand I've got. I hope the food is eatable.
Yeah, I think so.
Muko Ang Thong National Park, Thailand. Smells delicious. I hope it tastes delicious too. Finally, after some eatable food, I'm gonna do a small hike. Yeah, gonna join? Good for me. Wish me all the best. It's a 500-meter climb. I don't know whether I'll be able to complete everything. But anyways, let me give it a try. Trek plan is cancelled. My thighs are hurting a lot. I'm not able to walk. Koh Samui adventure comes to an end. We'll be checking into our last homestay. Even that's a pretty decent property. So we'll be chilling there till tomorrow afternoon, and then we have a ferry to the mainland. We'll see you guys at Koh Samui. One of the helper guy got his whole body burnt. Everyone is in a state of sheer panic. Shit. It was one hell of an experience, man. Thank God we're alive. Anyways, part 4 of Thailand Diaries comes to an end today. See you guys.